standing outside a motorhome that you're telling us you were just trained on this?
Yes.
So you know all about this.
Everything.
Everything. How long was training on this thing?
We were out here for probably an hour or so.
Really? Just going through all this?
Yeah.
Oh. So we got to, everything we got to compact into the next
it was
5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
All right. Well, first of all, let's just talk about this. I know we see these sometimes, but I like that the TV is there. You don't have to bring it out and hook it onto the side of the trailer. It's there all the time. That's very cool. And then under this, it keeps some of the sun off of it, so you can see at all times. Very cool. All right. So what else do we have out here?
So you do have your sound system out here too, which is pretty nice that you have it
cool.
outside. It's accessible.
I didn't know what that was.
Yeah. And then power awning, LED lights, tons of storage. So all of these are all storage. Huge pass-through over here.
Yeah, it's pass-through. I saw that.
Yeah.
And I like that, I've mentioned this on others, that it's kind of that plastic. So you could, if you're having a party out here and it's got a drain hole in it, so if you want to fill this with ice, you can throw drinks in there. And, and that's kind of cool. Throw any cold food items you need in there. Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. I love motorhomes. I myself would be terrified to drive them, but I know that it's something that you can learn fairly quickly. I've told folks before, it's been a while, but I drove for FedEx for a while, and when I first had to drive that big box truck, it freaked me out. But I've heard many people talk about getting into these and having it down in no time, you know? So let's get inside. How about that?
All right.
Yeah,
awesome.
let's check this out. All right, we're in the motorhome. There's where you drive it. we don't have it turned on. You can see the forest river we walked through not long ago. The dash, you got everything you need right there to run this beast. You know, we were talking about backing cameras and things like that, making this so much easier to drive nowadays. But for the Pilot, obviously you got everything you need. Over here, it looks like you got a work area, like a workstation.
There's also a map light under there.
And then this can raise or stay down, but you've got a bed for, you might be able to fit 2 people up there. It's going to be cozy. And then your ladder would go here. You got some speakers up here, so you'd be able to hear well if you want to play some music while you're up there. So that's the front, obviously. Your little table in between. But let's talk about this, like after you park and where you're going to be hanging out and living. Lots of space here.
Yeah, so this one, one thing that differentiates the FR3s from a lot of others is that it does have 8 seat belts.
Okay.
So you've got 2 here, you've got 4 here, and then you've got another 2 here.
Okay.
So you've got 8 seat belts in this unit. You do have heated power theater seats. You've got a nice big U-shaped dinette, well, U-style dinette. Again, super comfortable, nice and big. And then you've got nice big counter space. You've got an oven. You have a full-size residential style microwave. And then back here, you have hidden storage.
Oh yeah, looky there. Hide everything back
Oh
there.
yeah, nice big hidden storage compartment.
That's awesome. I love hidden stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Like a speakeasy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and it's nice too because it's storage that's out of the way.
Right.
It's what would have been dead space anyway.
Yep. And like I said, it's clean, so you can have a mess back there.
Yeah.
That you would have exposed, but because you have the door hiding it, that's great. Love that there's cup holders on the table so that people can hang out here while you're zipping down the road.
Absolutely.
And not have their drinks flying all over the place. That's smart.
This does have the shades similar to the Heritage Glen as well. So it's got the shades that are in the tracks. This is exclusive to the FR3 Plus models.
Okay.
So this is something that you only get in these Plus models, which are going to be like your upper tier. That way you don't have the shades banging while you're driving down the road. You don't have to worry about them getting off track, anything like that.
Which is even more important when you're actually in the vehicle.
Yeah.
You can't hear them if you're driving totally behind.
Yeah.
Something real quick that I noticed also, you got the extended table over here to give you a little more workspace in the kitchen. Yeah. So let's work back this way. We'll talk about the. Have we mentioned the fridge yet?
And we have not. So this is a 12-volt fridge. It's pretty big in comparison to what you're going to see in a lot of motorhomes.
Okay.
So really nice, good-sized fridge.
And that's a big slide out there.
Yeah.
We didn't even talk about that. You got the the dining area, your sitting area, and your refrigerator all in that slide out.
Yeah.
That gives you a lot of space. A lot of space. All right, so the bathroom. Oh,
Yep.
there's your
Fireplace.
Yeah, fireplace down there.
Got a good sized
So we can jump
bathroom.
in here. It's cold in this bathroom. Oh, you can tell the window or the mirror is all frogged up. I know you're supposed to say fogged up, but I like to say frogged up. Just so I sound like an idiot. Yeah, big old shower. Window. I would suggest closing that window before you do anything because there's a lot of view there. Some storage. You got some decent sized cabinet up there. You put towels in there. Yeah, it's nice.
And this entire unit is accessible with the slides closed, so
Okay, that's good to know.
you can get through the entire unit while you're going down the road.
Awesome. Yeah, that's good to know. Just
So-
a big. Oh,
You're
there's
gonna have
washer and
washer dryer. So this one has stackable.
Let me swap with you.
You come in here. We'll
I was
close
trying to
this.
push it back for you.
Let you in. I like that the door folds.
Yeah. So you do have a stackable washer and dryer in here. That's something that's kind of, again, a differentiating factor with the FR3 Plus versus just the FR3. Regular FR3 is just going to have a combo unit.
Okay.
If it has washer dryer hookup, it's only a combo unit, whereas the Plus is going to have the stackable.
And obviously, the stackable, and people know this, but it's nice to be able to wash while drying as opposed to wash and dry it before you get into another load. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sliding door, give you a little more space. Storage above the bed, some outlets with your USB next to it. Same thing with the windows.
Yep.
All in their little grooves.
Yep.
And there's a lot of storage in here
Ton of
behind
space.
you.
Yeah. And these closets are pretty deep. They're pretty big size.
Oh yeah.
So you definitely have plenty of space in your wardrobe. You have TV, and then you've got the space behind the TV as well.
Right.
So there's more storage space there as well.
And then 5 drawers below. Awesome. All right. So what's your favorite thing about this RV? If you had to pick one thing about it.
Honestly, I like the utility of it. I like the fact that you can access the whole thing while you're going down the road. It is nice to have kind of everything all in one place. If you're somebody that you park, you camp, and then you go, you're not somebody that's going to park and camp and go other places.
Right.
That's what makes motorhomes definitely ideal for some people. And having something that's so accessible, so great for like having multiple people. Again, 8 seat belts. That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
So something that's so accessible is definitely incredibly useful. And these are a great price point for the size of the unit that you're going to be in.
Okay.
We do have lithium house batteries too.
Okay.
So with that, they last forever. And it does have an onboard generator.
Awesome. Fantastic. All right. Well, if you've thought about getting a motorhome, RV Wholesalers is the place to do it. Obviously, the web address is down there. You can get hold of us or call you at
937-588-8677.
She'll get you in this motorhome. It could be yours.
Could be yours.